Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Miro board into a PDF. Exporting your board as a PDF makes it easy to share your work, present ideas, print documents, or save a copy for future reference. Let's get started. First, open the Miro board that you want to export. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the board. From the menu, select Export. You'll see several export options. Click Save as PDF. Miro will prepare your board for export. Depending on the size of your board, this may take a moment. Once the PDF is ready, your browser will automatically download the file to your device. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. Open the PDF to review it and make sure everything appears correctly. If your board contains multiple frames, Miro may export each frame as a separate page in the PDF, making it easier to navigate and present your content. You can now share the PDF with colleagues, clients, classmates, or anyone who needs access to your board without a requirement for a Miro account. And that's it. That's how to turn your Miro board into a PDF quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Miro tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.